You're gonna love the 2016 Hyundai Veloster. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Connect with the road in cutting-edge style in this heart-pounding Hyundai Veloster. Unique three-door hatchback configuration, lively cornering, aggressive performance, and driver-focused design heighten your driving pleasure in this unconventional sport compact. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather steering wheel. Feel nimble and free to be you in this zesty Veloster. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.